Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn about link building and its importance for SEO. Link building is the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your website. It is an important part of SEO because it helps to improve your website's ranking in search engine results pages. There are two main types of links. Internal links. These are links from one page on your website to another page on your website. External links. These are links from websites other than your own to your website. There are a few different ways to build links to your website. Guest blogging. This is where you write a blog post for another website and add a link back to your website in the post. Submitting your website to directories. Many directories allow you to submit your website for free. When you submit your website to a directory, you can add a link back to your website in your listing. Link building is an important part of SEOs, but it is important to do it naturally. You should not try to build links to your website by buying links or asking others to link to you in exchange for something. If you do this, your website may be penalized by search engines. Here are some tips for building links naturally. Create high-quality content. The best way to build links to your website is to create high-quality content that people will want to share. Promote your content on social media. When you create new content, promote it on social media. This will help to get people to see your content and link to it. Network with other bloggers and website owners. Get to know your niche's other bloggers and website owners. When you can link to each other's websites, do it. Be patient. Link building takes time. Don't expect to see results overnight. Keep creating great content and promoting it, and the links will come. If you want to learn more about link building and SEOs, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.